Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bagels using your bread machine. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need bread flour, water, active dry yeast, sugar, and salt. Accuracy is key, so measure everything carefully. Make sure your bread machine pan is clean and ready to go. This initial step sets the foundation for perfect, chewy bagels every time, making the process simple and enjoyable. Now, let's get the dough started in your bread machine. Begin by adding the water, then the sugar and salt. Next, add the bread flour, making a small well in the center for the yeast. Select the dough cycle on your machine. This cycle typically mixes, kneads, and allows the dough to complete its first rise. The machine does all the hard work, ensuring a perfectly developed dough for your bagels. Once your dough has completed its cycle and risen beautifully, it's time to shape your bagels. Gently punch down the dough and divide it into 8 equal portions, each weighing around 3.5 ounces. Roll each portion into a smooth ball, then use your thumb to create a hole in the center, stretching it slightly. Next, boil the bagels for 1 minute on each side in simmering water, adding a tablespoon of honey for a golden crust. After boiling, place your bagels on a baking sheet and bake them in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes. They should turn a beautiful golden brown and have that classic chewy texture. Once cooled, slice them open and add your favorite toppings. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade, fresh bagels.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.